Analyst who predicted Ethereum eruption says XRP is next. XRP is the favorite cryptocurrency of the majority of financial institutions, investors, celebrities, and experts because it is the currency that has the potential to rise and replace the top cryptocurrencies. Analysts have always been predicting the value of XRP, and now the analyst who predicted the eruption of Ethereum says that XRP is next. Hey guys, welcome back to Crypto Millionaires, a channel where we give daily updates about XRP. As we have announced a monthly giveaway of 1,000 XRP coins, so hit the like and subscribe button if you haven't already to participate in the giveaway. And don't forget to click the bell icon and share your views in the comments section below. Watch to the end for more chances to win the huge amount of your favorite coin. In today's video, you will know about the prediction of XRP by the analyst who had predicted the eruption of Ethereum. You will know about the different realistic price predictions from experts and the reasons behind XRP to rise again. So, let's start our video. According to an article published in October of 2020, XRP's price action has been rather lackluster as of late, with buyers and sellers remaining deadlocked as they struggle to gain control of the cryptocurrency's near-term trend. This lack of momentum isn't new for XRP, as the token has been stuck within a macro consolidation phase throughout the past few years against both its USD and BTC trading pairs. This has caused the community to dry up, with the so-called XRP Army largely evaporating as they move on to other projects. It is important to note that XRP still has growth potential as a short-term vehicle to provide gains due to its tendency to see parabolic moves. One analyst who had predicted Ethereum's parabolic breakout has said that XRP is next. He is now pointing to some striking similarities between Ethereum's price action before its recent parabolic move and XRP's current price action. This insinuates that it may see some serious upside that leads it upwards. The buying pressure is always decent and should remain steady so long as the wider market remains bullish. Unless the XRP token begins gaining some greater utility via Ripple partnerships, any price pumps in the near term will likely be fleeting due to only being backed by short-term traders. While sharing his thoughts on the embedded cryptocurrency's current outlook, one analyst explained that he expects it to see some short-term upside and follow in Ethereum's footsteps. He said while pointing to the similarities seen between the two assets' charts, basically XRP looks exactly like Ethereum did before it broke out yesterday. Easy scalp long in my opinion. At that time, XRP was trading at 25 cents, and its inability to follow the market has been a somewhat grim sign and could indicate that further underperformance is imminent. The value of XRP has shown many ups and downs. At the end of 2020, the company faced an SEC lawsuit that put the Ripple future under threat. During 2020, the XRP market price was relatively stable, with several medium-term bullish and bearish trends. After the upward momentum at the beginning of the year, the price was declining for a month from February to March. The next bullish trend occurred in July, but finished in less than a month. After the analyst prediction, the main rise happened in November when the price hit a maximum of 79 cents. Ripple XRP is one of the world's foremost cryptos, and one of the most intriguing. Unlike Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other big names, it doesn't market itself with its decentralization. Instead, the crypto is closely associated with several banks, investment companies, and organizations worldwide. This may seem counterproductive, when many traders believe that the biggest selling point of cryptocurrencies is their freedom of influence from outside companies. However, crypto experts are increasingly arguing that it could be the key to Ripple's success. Many other experts predicted a rise in XRP's value. Trading Beasts expect the average XRP price to stay within $1.73 to the $1.79 range. The website sees an uptrend, which is a good sign for traders. The maximum price will reach $2.24 in December of 2021. The minimum price won't fall below $1.47. The average price of the XRP, as per Wallet Investor, will fluctuate near $1.50 until December, when the rate will touch $1.84. Although the website doesn't predict a strong uptrend, the average price stays at good levels. The highest price will always be near $1.80, surging above the $2 mark in December. The minimum rate won't fall below $1.10. CoinMarketPrice website can shock traders with an over-optimistic projection. According to Coin Price Forecast, the price may reach $4.77 by the middle of the year, while the end of 2021, it will be $5. These predictions made us think that whether XRP will go up or not. For that, look at the XRP USD technical analysis by exploring the monthly Ripple price chart outlook. As we can see from the XRP USD history chart, the price has been regularly updating local highs and lows since March 2020. Despite the powerful impulses and sell-offs, there is a general global bullish trend. Another impact marker is surges of trade volumes marked with blue dots in the prediction chart. An increase in trader activity in December of 2020 resulted in a failed try to breakout at level 17 cents. The red candlestick's low determines the strong support level at 17 cents, marked with a red line in the chart. Note that starting from the second half of 2019, the XRP USD quotes have often approached this line, but it has never consolidated below. This fact suggests the presence of a powerful buyer in the market, actively buying out all of the orders at this level to push the price up to the Ripple price target above. The next, even more significant trade volume peak points out a powerful resistance level reached by the January candlestick high. In September 2018, the price movement already stopped at a level of 75 cents USD. This level should attract large sellers, creating seller pressure. The value of the whole crypto market fell previously after the China ban, Tesla not using Bitcoin anymore, and the high energy consumption of Bitcoin. It's fairly clear that cryptocurrency is facing a reckoning of sorts recently. But XRP price experienced a significant bull run as it rallied roughly 750% since 2021. However, due to the recent correction, Ripple's year-to-date, or YTD, performance is hovering around 268%. While the large-scale downwards pull hasn't spared XRP, there's a narrative emerging that favors it moving forward. XRP is the digital currency issued and partly managed by Ripple, the payment solutions company that also manages the RippleNet cross-border payments network. Unlike Bitcoin, XRP coins are not mined. Ripple minted an entire supply when the network was launched in 2012, and Ripple intermittently releases portions of the supply from an escrow and sells them on the open market. Out of the total 100 billion supply of XRP, only 46.2 billion coins are currently in circulation. There are at least 3 reasons XRP should fare well after this most recent cryptocurrency downdraft subsides. Despite this sell-off, the remittance token might be setting the stage for another bull run, comparable to the first run-up of 2021. The supply distribution on-chain metric shows significant support for this bullish hypothesis, as it reveals a whale's accumulation spree. Since the initial peak on April 7th, investors holding between 1,000 to 1 million XRP have increased from roughly 396,000 to 442,000. The additional 46,000 new users to this category indicates that these market participants are increased in XRP at the current price levels and provide proxy to their investment thesis, which shows a bullish bias. Another important metric shows that XRP price might be due for a massive spike in the social volume. From a counter-sentiment perspective, a massive uptick in the metric paints substantial retail FOMO and often marks local tops. The social volume for Ripple is currently hovering around 62. A level last seen in early April, before the start of the 200+% bull run. Therefore, a 608% projection from the multi-year head and shoulders pattern would make sense if something similar were to happen. The other reasons that can cause the eruption of XRP is the victory in the Ripple SEC lawsuit, which is on Ripple's side, as the judge presiding over the case has indicated that XRP looks and behaves more like a currency having utility rather than a security. Its utility is also the reason for its eruption. XRP is used in cross-border remittances and settlements. The company's RippleNet application allows users to move money quicker than traditional cross-border remittance and settlement services. The unique features of XRP make it to be among the top 10 cryptocurrencies and are the reason behind its value to go up. From the facts discussed, it is clear that the eruption of XRP is near. According to the CoinMarketCap, at the time of writing, the XRP price today is 78 cents USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.1 billion USD. XRP is down 0.02% in the last 24 hours. The current CoinMarketCap ranking is number 7, with a live market cap of $36 billion USD. It has a circulating supply of 46 billion XRP coins and a max supply of 100 billion XRP coins. So guys, this is it for today's video. I hope it could be a big help to you. What do you think? Is the XRP eruption near? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to click the bell icon and participate in the giveaway. And thanks for watching.